So could you introduce
Hmm.
us to a bit of a background story? What were you doing before
Okay.
FPA, let's say?
So I started like 5 years back into the freelancing space as a writer, and since those 5 years, I'm solely working as a first started as a content writer, then shifted to copywriting, and now I'm just scaling it entirely in it, just focusing on the marketing and conversion part of the business, how to create offers, how to scale my business using copywriting, how to create funnels, and all those sort of stuff. And yes, so it's all about just copywriting. In that meantime, I did learn many other strategies like web development, logo designing, affiliate marketing. I didn't literally left anything, but my luck or the things that worked for me was entirely centric to the writing niche only. So I decided to scale it in it only.
Now, I don't like to digress, but I would just point something out for the people who are here. When you mentioned you tried everything, so that is
Yeah.
one thing for people to learn from the people who have actually made it.
Mhm.
They've had more failures than the people who are not doing so good. So
Yeah.
if you actually see how much work you've put in each field, a lot of
Mhm.
people are not able to put that work in, and I
Mhm.
guess that is the reason they're not able to go to that level, and hopefully they can learn to